Stop casting a wide net and start pinpointing profit with Propstream's powerful draw tool. First, log into your Propstream account once you're in. Navigate to the map view. Look for the Draw button located in the toolbar on the top left. It looks like a pencil drawing a line. Click on it to activate the drawing mode. You'll now see a few different drawing options. Polygon, rectangle, circle, and freeform. Polygon allows you to create custom shapes by clicking to set each point of your desired area. Rectangle lets you draw a square or rectangular area by clicking and dragging. Circle lets you draw a circular area by clicking and dragging. For precise geographic farming, I recommend using the Polygon tool. Click on the map to set your first point, then click again to set your second, and continue clicking around the specific area you want to target. Once you've completed outlining your desired area, click on the first point again to close the shape. Propstream will now highlight that area on the map. The search results in the sidebar will automatically update to only show properties within your defined boundary. Now refine your search even further by applying filters. You can filter by property type, MLS status, foreclosure status, ownership time, and so much more. This allows you to really laser focus on the ideal properties within your targeted area. Finally, don't forget to save your search. Click the Save Search button so you can easily access this targeted area and its associated properties later. This is a key step for consistent lead generation and market monitoring. That's it. You've successfully used the Draw feature on Propstream to define a specific geographic area and identify hyperlocal opportunities. Now go out there and conquer your market.